Hey everyone, in this short tutorial, I'm gonna explain where and how Iferror function is used in Microsoft Excel. Over here you can see I have this column A which I'm gonna divide with the data in column B. But before that, let me sum up all these numbers right over here. So I would write is equal sum tab and let me add all these numbers, press enter, and there we have all our numbers summed up as 3755. You might have noticed over here that we have 432F. Excel simply considered it a number and added it to all the numbers to give us this sum. Similarly, over here you can see we have E, and again if I'm gonna apply the same function, sum function, it would give us the same addition. With regard to sum, we don't get any error. Let's see what happens if we divide column A with column B. So I'm gonna write is equal 400 divided by 10, press enter, and there you go. Let me copy the formula to all the cells, and there you go. You can see we have value error over here. Again, down at the bottom you can see we have division error, and again one more case of division error over here. Why? Because 567 was divided by E, which is not a number. And similarly over here you can see 444 was divided by 0, so we got this division error. Again 0 over here. And similarly 432F was divided by 12. Again, this is not simply a number but contains a capital letter as well. So how to get rid of these values? So let me show you. So I would write is equal if error tab value. So what is the value we are looking for? We are actually dividing this column A by column B, and now comma value if error. Now the second argument says if there is error, then what you want to return. For that, I'm gonna simply insert 0, bracket close, press enter, and let me copy the formula to all the cells like this. And there you can see this time we don't see any error, rather we get 0 in place of an error. Similarly, if you want, you can also return a string as well. Let me show you. I'm gonna delete the 0 and let me insert double quotes, and inside double quotes I'm gonna write error occurred. Let me press enter, and let's copy the formula to all the cells, and there you can see now we have returned a string in place of 0. So in this way, you can use Iferror function to return a particular value or a string in Microsoft Excel. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.